Hello guys, welcome. It's me, teacher Kimberly, and today I will teach you on how to find or divide polynomials. But before that, let us first define what is a division and what are the four parts of division. Division. Division is an operation on breaking up a number into an equal number of parts. And there are four parts of division. The first one is dividend. A dividend is a larger number you are dividing up. The second one is the divisor. The divisor is the number you are dividing by. The third part is the answer to division, which is the quotient. And the last one is the remainder, which is the so-called the leftover. So, shall we start? Okay, this time I will teach you on how to divide polynomials using synthetic division. Synthetic division is under Math 10 Quarter 1, Module 2, Polynomials and Polynomial Equations, Lesson 1, Division of Polynomials, and we have two subtopics. We have the long division and the second one is the synthetic division. The synthetic division is what we are going to focus today. In general, if p of x and d of x are polynomials with d of x is not equal to 0, we can write p of x is equal to q of x plus r of x divided by d of x, or p of x is equal to q of x times d of x plus r of x, where r of x is either 0 or it's a degree less than the degree of d of x. And take note, if r of x is equal to 0, then we say that d of x is a factor of p of x. There is a shorter procedure when the polynomial is to be divided by a binomial of the form x minus r. The method is the so-called synthetic division. Take note that only if the divisor is the form x minus r, meaning the divisor is only of the degree 1. So this is only applicable when the divisor is of the degree 1. In this method, we write only the coefficients. Okay, here are the steps using synthetic division. Step 1. Arrange the coefficients of p of x in descending powers of x. Meaning, we should follow the standard form in writing the polynomials. Placing zeros for the missing terms. So in case there is a missing term, so replace 0. The leading coefficient of p of x becomes the first entry of the first row. Okay, example. P of x is 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 8 divided by x plus 2. Okay, this is our dividend and this is our divisor. So how to do synthetic division? Okay, we'll make like this. This is intended for your dividend. And this is intended for your divisor. Okay, take note that in doing synthetic division, first is we check if the dividend and the divisor is already written in descending powers. So, check 3, 2, there's no 1. Again, there's no x raised to 1, meaning to say you are going to replace 0. And then plus 8, which is your constant. So, in doing synthetic division, you are going to write only the coefficients. So, what is the coefficient of 3x cubed? So, 3. Right there, only 3. Okay, next. 4. And then as I've said, there is no x raised to 1. So replace it by 0 and then your constant a. And you are going to bring down the coefficient of the first term or the leading coefficient. So that's it. We're done with step 1. Step 2. Place the value of r in the upper left corner. In this example, x minus r is equal to x plus 2. X is equal to x minus negative 2. Therefore, or so, r is equal to negative 2. Okay, step number 2 tells us to write the divisor in the upper left corner. And our divisor is x plus 2. By inspection, the value of r is negative 2. Okay, we have negative 2 as our divisor. Step 3. The first number is the second row, negative 6, is the product of r negative 2. And the number in the third row, 3, of the preceding column. So the second number in the third row, negative 2, is the sum of the numbers 4 and negative 6 above it. So, ingon ani siya, no? Okay, bring down 3. Okay, 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. So, asa man ibutang? So, itungod ni mo sa second coefficient. And then, the operation you are going to use is addition. So, add 4 plus a negative 6, we have negative 2. Step 4. Repeat the procedure described in step 3 until the last number in the third row is obtained. Okay, step 4. Repeat the procedure. So we have here negative 2 in the third row, the second column. Okay, negative 2 times or multiplied by your divisor negative 2, which is positive 4. So, you are going to write positive 4 here. Add. Okay, what is 0 plus 4? So, that is 4. Okay, 4. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. So, put negative 8 here. So, what is 8, positive 8 plus negative 8? So, that is 0. So, our third column is filled already. What's next? Step number 5. Write the quotient q of x. Note that the degree of q of x is 1 less than the degree of your p of x. The entries in the third row give the coefficients of q of x and the remainder are. Okay, again, the coefficients in the third row gives us your quotient q of x and the remainder are. So, how to write your q of x? So, q of x is equal to the first number, 3x, and the degree is 1 less than the degree of your dividend. Since the degree of your dividend is 3, so the degree of your quotient is 2. Next, minus 2x plus 4. Oops. The last number is 0, meaning to say your remainder is equal to 0. Therefore, what is your conclusion about this? Therefore, your quotient 3x squared minus 2x plus 4 is the factor of your dividend 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 8. At the same time, your divisor x plus 2 is also the factor of your dividend 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 8. That's it. Here is the concise form of step 1 to 5. Okay, your p of x or your dividend is 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 8. And then your divisor is x plus 2. And the quotient or the answer is 3x squared minus 2x plus 4. And then your remainder is 0. Okay, example number 2. Use synthetic division to find the quotient of x raised to 4 plus 8x squared minus 5x cubed minus 2 plus 15x divided by x minus 3. So again, what is our first and foremost step? You're going to check if your dividend and your divisor is in descending powers. So, by inspection, so wala nag-order, wala nag-descending order ang imong mga powers. 4, 2, 3, 0, and 1. So what you're going to do, you have to arrange first. So your dividend will become p of x is equal to your leading term x raised to 4 containing the highest power, followed by 5x cubed, followed by ax squared, followed by 15x minus 2. And then your divisor is still x minus 3. So how to do this? Okay, write the coefficients of your dividend here and your divisor in the upper left corner. So let us start first with your dividend. 1, followed by negative 5, followed by 8, followed by 15, followed by negative 2. Okay, here, your divisor is x minus 3. So what is your r? So your r is positive 3. Equate x minus 3 by 0 and find the value of x. So your x is positive 3. So next step, okay, bring down your first term. Multiply 1 times 3 is 3. Negative 5 plus 3, add negative 5 plus 3, negative 2. Then, repeat the procedure, multiply negative 2 times positive 3, that is negative 6. Add 8 plus negative 6 is positive 2. 2 times 3 is 6. Add 15 plus 6 is 21. 21 times 3 is, what is 21 times 3? That is 63. Add negative 2 plus 63 is positive 61. So again, your third row gives us the quotient and the remainder. So, write your quotient q of x is equal to the first number, x, and the degree is less 1 of your dividend. Since your dividend is of the degree 4, so your quotient will start with degree 3. And then followed by negative 2x squared plus 2x plus 21. Oops, the last number is 61. So what is 61? 61 is your remainder. So x X raised to 4 minus 5x cubed plus 8x squared plus 15x minus 2 divided by x minus 3. So the quotient is x cubed minus 2x squared plus 2x plus 21, remainder 61. Okay, gets? Here is the clearer view of the solution. This time, it's your time to shine. So for your activity, use synthetic division to find the quotient and the remainder in each of the following. So write your complete solutions on a sheet of paper. So give the solution and then write the quotient and the remainder. So go, 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 go. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoy math. Okay, again, love math so that math loves you.